How to unlock Snapchat account that has been temporarily blocked. First thing you do is head over to your web browser, and then on the search bar you simply go ahead and search for Snapchat support. And once you've done that, hit enter. Click on the first link you see, help.snapchat.com, and now you're gonna have to scroll down a bit until you find this option, I can't access my account. Tap on it. And from here, you can choose this option where it says my account is compromised, or if you think this is, I see an error message when I log in. Now from here, you can just scroll down and see if the article was helpful. If it was, tap on yes, otherwise you can tap on no. Then you can click on any of these and click on submit. And after you've done that, you can click here to go to learn more about the error messages. So scroll down and on this was article was helpful, click on no, and then click this and click on submit. Now it will ask you if you need more help or not, so click on any of these options. And then what you're going to do is go back here and scroll down all the way until you see get in touch, contact us. Here you're going to have to submit a report. Click on I can't access my account. And then from here, click on my account is locked. And then scroll down here until you find this, still need help. And now you can click on visit the accounts portal. Now you will be directed to a contact request form. Here you're just going to have to provide your email address that's connected to your account, your username, your phone number, and then briefly explain what happened. They will get back to you on your email within a few days. You just follow the instruction and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.